You are going to love the 2013 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, keyless entry, heated seats, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.